Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are gonna be on YFI. So apparently the last time I did a video on a YFI, it was a pretty good video, and it bounced right from the bottom. We did it on BTC the pairings and also on USDT, and both of the times it bounced right down here and turned out to be a really good trade actually, which is the one I didn't take because I actually forgot about it. I talked about it last night in the stream as well, and it was really sad. I didn't trade this one, I missed it, and it's apparently it's the biggest winner, right? So that is definitely my bit of luck here, right? But yes, I was also pointed out that I was, pronouncing it wrong. So I do apologize for that. English is not my first language, so sometimes I do make these mistakes. But yeah, frankly speaking, Bitcoin definitely doing some amazing stuff, right? Bitcoin is soaring over 17K right now, and it's now located in our big fat box, right? So our big fat box going from 20K down to 17K, and I was actually talking a little bit about it in the previous stream. Yesterday's stream, right? How we are gonna now go a little bit aggressive with our shorts on Bitcoin. So every time it's gonna go sideways or something like this, we're gonna try to short it, right? And kind of get a position on it, because the reward on the downside right now is gonna be absolutely massive. Yes, but speaking about that, we can now jump into JFI, because alts, obviously when Bitcoin is performing like this, alt season is gonna come and it's gonna pop off, and JFI has definitely been popping up, one of the first, right? So next to Uni, JFI is probably the second best, if not number one at the Binance at the moment. Like I did say, it made 200%, so that's absolutely insane, right? For such early timings. So maybe somehow we already missed this one just a little bit, but looking at this graph, there's still a lot of places to go here, right? So yeah, definitely gonna be looking at. And the most important thing is, where you kind of go to higher time frames right now, is you see this kind of bottoms, right? So when we came on top, we tested the bottom, we went higher, and we tested this bottom again, right? So now you can see that we sort of formed an area here. And now if we take a rectangle, we take the right rectangle right here, and we draw it from the top, from this side to this side, you can also see that we have created an area in this one. But again, as you can see, this area is a chunker, right? You can say the chunky boy. It's quite fat, right? So it's not too fat. It's about, let's see, about $2,000. So it is quite fat, but what can you do about it, right? It's a fat area, but after you gain this area, since something we're doing it right now, and if we actually spend 2 days above this area, this is really good, could turn out into a really good gainer, and could turn it into, it could suddenly propel the coin into all the way to this high right here, which is about $9,000 to $10,000 away if you look at it right from the top, right? So you can already see this could turn out to be quite a profitable trade, right? Quite a profitable trade. And the beauty of this trade is this can play out, and maybe while this plays out, because it's so fast and so aggressive right now, this can play out, and the other alts are still gonna be still. So you make a quick trade in between, you jump out, and then you jump right into other alts, and you capture them right before they move up as well. So it really could be a beauty at this trade. So yes, when we place a trade right now, we got a bunch of possibility for the stop losses right now, and these stop losses mainly follow to how bullish you are. So the number one stop loss is, if you really want to go risky, you put it right down here, and you can see this is 7%, right? And for ones who really want to put it down here, and if actually this one works out, you're gonna be making quite a bit of money, because like I said, this is only 1.5k stop, and you can see the move up there could be in a midst of a 10,000, so you would be making quite a lot of money, right? It's quite a hefty percentages, right? But if you wish to play it a little bit safer, you wish to play it a little bit more normal, you're not that kind of a guy, then you gotta be moving it all the way down here to about 13%. And the problem of this trade is, if you're moving it, even if you move the stop loss right down here, you would still probably have to take trade around here. So it's actually, this is actually two trades, right? So there are two possibilities. You can put stop loss right here for about 7 to 8%, right? And then initiate another trade a little bit under. But the thing can happen is it's gonna come here, it's gonna stop you here, it's not gonna fill you here, and then it's gonna go on without you, right? So the second opportunity then is you put a bit of a fatter stop loss like here, and if it stops you out, you take another one here with a stop loss under here, and then this one should be pretty much very safe when it comes to, right? I mean, this one of these two areas will for sure give you a reaction. So let's just say we take a fatter stop loss and one trade down here, and now where are we gonna look for the first profit target, right? So now we can go for the horizontal line and kind of look for the profit target, and it's gonna be, as you can already be located, it's a smaller but still important area, but a smaller, it has a smaller importance than the one down here. You can see it right here, and you can see that already on the first profit target we're looking at amazing gains because it is 30% or 2.2 R. So yes, nothing shabby on the first profit target, right? Then moving right to the next profit target, as we already mentioned, is going to be right here, and again it is an area which you can take either from the bottom or from the top. So basically with this line I am aiming more to the bottom of the area because, you know, I like to go for the safety. And this also, I'm gonna tell you why this area is super important, because if you manage to gain over this area, JFI would again, YFI, sorry, again I pronounced it wrong, YFI would actually again go for the bull run. Yes, so if we can go above this one, it's similar to Bitcoin, right? As once you start gaining these areas to the left, and this is the last main area above for the top, you could be already calling it that YFI is going on a bull run as well. So you can see this one area is most likely on the first touch going to be rejected, but then, you know, that's why we are taking a profit target on it, and we will be having a chance to refill the trade somewhere down here, which we don't know yet because we need to see price action before that happens. But once this area is broken, we could actually go on YFI for a longer hold, right? And this, you know, potentially 40k or even 50 or above. We don't know where the next one is gonna stop. So, you know, if you don't wanna, you can take everything off at the second area, but if you really wanna be saving it for the last 10%, this is your absolutely third profit target. And in this case, if the second one is 50%, or if you're taking it all the way to up there, 56% and 4R, the last one is then at 90% and 7R. But like I said, I really suggest for you to take all the profits at the second profit target and then just wait. Is it gonna go bull run or it's not gonna go bull run, you know, and then you just, if it goes bull run, smash another trade at it, the smallest problem, right? But, you know, still the main reason when I'm looking at it like this, I'm hoping that this will play out real fast, and then, you know, you take out your profits and you put it on another coin that it's still, you know, pretty much acting chill at those times, and then those coin pops up as well, and you kind of make, in the same period of time when everybody else is going to be waiting, you kind of smash two trades and you're good with it, right? So yes, guys, thank you for watching these videos. Do subscribe to our channel. We make these videos every day. So yes, show us love, punch that notification button, everything, right? And also join us at free Telegram 4C community. We have a free chat where we chat daily. We have free news where we post videos, analysis, all of the stuff that you need for trading, right? So yeah, please do join us there. And I guess we will be seeing each other in the next one.